converting 10 pi divided by 3 to degrees. So what we should do is first figure out how many times we've gone around the circle. So this would be 3 pi over 3, then 6 pi over 3, then 9 pi over 3, right? So it's 180, 360, 540 to 9 pi over 3. Okay? So this is 9 pi over 3 plus pi over 3. So we've traveled 540 degrees plus an additional pi over 3 is 60, an additional 60 degrees for a total of 600 degrees. Okay, next one, 25 pi over 6. Again, we say 6 pi over 6, 12 pi over 6, 18 pi over 6, 24 pi over 6. So we've gone around the circle twice for a total of 720 degrees. So this is 24 pi over 6 plus pi over 6. So the 24 pi over 6 is 720 degrees. And then we're going to add the additional 30 degrees. Pi over 6 is 180 divided by 6, which is 30. So then that'll combine to 750 degrees. Okay, 13 pi over 12. Again, okay, around once gets us to 12 pi over 12. So that's just 180 degrees, 12 pi over 12 plus pi over 12. So we have 180 degrees plus pi over 12 is 180 divided by 12, which is going to be 15. That's a little bit harder to do, but if you write out that division, you should be able to do it without a calculator. 180 divided by 12 is 15, so this combines to 195 degrees. Pi over 18, okay, that's just 180 degrees divided by 18 degrees, which is 10. So that's 10 degrees. And then that's helpful for 17 pi over 18. Again, on our circle, over here would be 18 pi over 18, and we're just 1 pi over 18 slice less than that. So we subtract pi over 18. So this is 180 degrees, and we are subtracting 10 degrees for a total of 170 degrees. Alternatively, if you knew that pi over 18 was 10 degrees from before, you could just multiply that by 17, because pi over 18 times 17 is 17 pi over 18. So if you do 10 degrees times 17, that would give you 170 degrees. So that's 17 pi over 18.